Saudi Arabia has been making headlines with its plans to shift its economy away from oil and towards tourism, with a number of ambitious megaprojects being announced as part of the country's Vision 2030 plan. The latest addition to this list is the Mukaab, a giant cube that's so big it could fit 20 Empire State Buildings inside. Described as a gateway to another world, the Mukaab will have a holographic dome that transports visitors to other planets and magical worlds. It's expected to become a major draw for visitors to Saudi Arabia, further cementing the country's reputation as a hub for innovation and cutting-edge design. The Mukaab is part of NEOM, a $1 trillion megaproject that includes a 170-kilometer-long line city, a floating port city called Octagon, and a massive ski resort in the Arabian desert called Trojena. The project aims to create a new economic zone in Saudi Arabia that's powered by renewable energy and is home to some of the world's most advanced technologies. The Mukaab itself will be a premium destination for tourists from all over the world, featuring restaurants, hotel rooms, observation platforms, cinemas, and theaters. Its spiral tower will offer visitors stunning views of the surrounding area, while the holographic dome will display different virtual realities. As of now, the Mukaab project is still in its planning phase. Saudi Arabia has not yet announced a timeline for construction or an estimated opening date. However, given the country's track record for ambitious and large-scale projects, it's not unreasonable to assume that the Mukaab will eventually become a reality. The announcement of the Mukaab has generated a lot of buzz and excitement in the tourism and architecture industries. Some experts believe that the Mukaab could become a major draw for visitors to Saudi Arabia, helping the country to achieve its goal of becoming a major tourist destination. However, critics worry about the environmental impacts of the Mukaab and other megaprojects like NEOM, citing air and water pollution, habitat destruction, and disruption of wildlife. The Saudi government says it will take steps to minimize these impacts, including using renewable energy and sustainable technologies in NEOM. Social impacts are a major concern with megaprojects like the Mukaab and NEOM. Experts worry about the potential for social and economic inequalities, as well as the displacement of local communities. Despite these concerns, the Saudi government has announced initiatives to address these issues, such as creating new jobs and training programs to support local communities affected by the projects. Additionally, the Saudi government is committed to its Vision 2030 plan, aimed at diversifying the economy and reducing oil dependency. While these developments raise questions about who will benefit, the government has announced initiatives to support local communities and create new jobs. Saudi Arabia is taking bold steps to position itself as a leader in the global tourism and technology sectors, with ambitious plans for renewable energy. Whether or not the Mukaab is ultimately built, it's clear that Saudi Arabia is taking bold steps to shape its future. The country's leaders are determined to reduce their dependence on oil and to create a more diverse and sustainable economy. As with any large-scale project, there are risks and uncertainties, but there's also the potential for great rewards. In the end, the success of the Mukaab project will depend on a number of factors, including public support, financial viability, and environmental impact. If the project is executed well, it could become a symbol of Saudi Arabia's progress and innovation. However, if it's poorly planned or executed, it could become a source of controversy and criticism. Regardless of what happens with the Mukaab, it's clear that Saudi Arabia is poised for significant changes in the years ahead. The country's leaders are determined to create a brighter future for their people, and they're willing to take bold steps to achieve that goal. It remains to be seen whether these efforts will pay off, but one thing is certain: the world will be watching. Thanks for watching. If you found this video interesting, please give it a like and subscribe for more content. Your support helps us share stories from around the world. See ya in the next video.